Hey class, today we're going to show you the tutorial on how to do the music language Dice Rhythm Matrix solo, which is 5.3. So first thing we're going to do is scroll down and follow the steps for the day. Download the Rhythm Matrix solo. We'll click on it. It'll open up into a second window to show you first what it looks like, just so you have an idea. We're going to go ahead and just click on that so it downloads separately. Right down here. Awesome. We can go ahead and open that up. Should open up 365 in a separate window. And we need to make it smaller. There we go. Alright, so it looks like this. Go ahead and enable editing. You'll put your name in here. And you can go ahead and put the date in as well. Today is the 11th. And then next it says, in order to start your solo, you will need a virtual die. As you roll the die, you will uncover your rhythm for your solo that you will perform. We're only looking to roll 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you roll a 5 or 6, disregard and roll again. So where do we find that? It's located here, but it's also located on the main slide. So let me show you back where we were. Here we go. So it says roll the dice. Boom. And there's a dice roller. Now the cool thing is, let's say if I roll a couple of them, didn't mean to, we definitely don't need die up to 12. We're going to just click on it and they're going to disappear. Okay, we want to use the one that just says 4. I think it's a tetrahedron if you will. So not really a dice, but a tetrahedron. But we're going to use that. So let's go back to our rhythm sheet, our dice matrix. So you'll notice that a 1, every time you roll a 1, you're going to have this type of note. It's called a quarter note. Okay, it gets 1 beat of sound. You should have recognized this from 5.2. 2 is going to be 2 eighth notes. 3 is going to be 4 16th notes. And a 4 is going to be a quarter rest. Okay. So our solo is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. So those 16 beats are what we need to fill in. So let's go back to our matrix. Let's go back to the dice roller. And let's just draw, let's just click on it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 3, 2, 4, 4. So I'm going to go back to the matrix and figure out what that is. So 3 is 16th notes, 2 is 8th notes, and then 4, 4. So let's go ahead and easiest way to do this is you're going to just double click on it, hit the copy button, go to the box, and go to Control V or paste. Let's do the same thing with the 2, copy, and here. We can also click on that way, and we can do paste options that way. And then 4, 4. Okay, so now we have 4 beats. So we have tiki tiki ti ti rest rest. Let's go ahead and draw 4 more. Boom, 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 boom. 1 3 4 3. Oh, all right. So 1 3 4 3. So we have a quarter note. 16th notes, quarter rest, and 16th notes. So we have ta, tiki tiki, tiki tiki. So that whole line goes tiki tiki ti ti, ti, tiki tiki, tiki tiki. That quarter note should have been ta. So we'll do the same process until we get all 16 beats in. This is going to be the beginning of your solo, but this is what I need for you to complete today. Once you finish that section, you'll go ahead and go to File, Save As. Remember, you can put it anywhere in here. I typically always I think it's a good idea just to get used to putting your name somewhere in there. So .muse, I could just put Brockman after that. And then I can save that document. And then once it's saved, I can go ahead and upload it into the submission for the assignment, and then I'll be good. Okay. Once you submitted it, make sure you're practicing the solo. You can use cups, spoons, your voice, your hands, whatever you need to, because we're going to come back to this next week for our final project. All right. Best of luck.